Okay, express 400 to the power minus 3 over 2 as a fraction. Okay, now negative power again, right? So we write this as 1 over, okay, the reciprocal. So 1 over 400 to the power 3 over 2. So it's a positive power now, but as part of the denominator, okay? And remember what we discussed before, if the fraction is not single on the top, if it's not 1 on the top, we need to have 1 there. So we'll take the 3 outside of a bracket. So we'll rewrite this as 400 to the power half, okay? And we'll take the 3 outside of that bracket. I haven't changed anything because it still means 3 over 2 when I times them out. And we just need to remember them, okay? 400 to the power half. Well, anything to the power half is a square root, isn't it? So in there, we want to square root 400. And then we've got to then have that power 3 outside. Now, square root of 400 is just 20. All right, something we need to learn there, okay? Because, you know, think about the opposite, the squaring. If you square 20, 20 times 20 is 400. And then, don't forget then, you've got this power 3, haven't you? You've got to cube it, okay? So when you cube 20, essentially you were doing 20 times 20 times 20, yeah? And that, in a sense, is really easy as well, because when you multiply, of course, these values here, you can ignore the zeros, can't you? And you can just do 2 times 2 times 2. And, of course, that gives me 8. And then we add the zeros on at the end. So I've got 3 zeros to add on. So you get 1 divided by 8,000.